Windows 10 is officially ending support on October 14, 2025. That means no more security updates unless you take action. But here's the good news. You can stay on Windows 10 safely, and even for free. In this video, we'll break down your options step by step. Microsoft originally planned to charge $30 for its Extended Security Updates, or ESU program, but now there are two free ways to keep your PC secure. Today, we'll cover all three options, explain why people are sticking with Windows 10, and share tips to protect your files. First, let's understand what ESU actually does. Extended Security Updates provide critical and important security patches, but they don't include new features, bug fixes, or tech support. Think of it as a shield that keeps hackers out, without adding anything new to your system. You can enroll in ESU if your PC is running Windows 10 version 22H2. Microsoft will let you enroll even after October 14th, but any unprotected PC could be vulnerable until you enroll. So how do you actually get these updates? Microsoft offers three ways. Use Microsoft Rewards points. Yes, you can redeem 1,000 points from Microsoft Rewards, earned by using services like the Bing app to cover your ESU. Backup via OneDrive. Sync your files to Microsoft OneDrive. No extra charge for the updates themselves, but you may need extra storage since the free tier is just 5 GB. Pay $30 for ESU. This gives you critical updates for 1 year, just like the original plan. Both free options are great for most users, but the OneDrive method is especially handy if you already use cloud backups. Why wouldn't everyone just upgrade to Windows 11? Well, Windows 11 has stricter hardware requirements, meaning some older PCs simply can't run it. There are workarounds, but Microsoft doesn't officially support them. For those with aging PCs, sticking with Windows 10 is often the safest and most affordable choice. The good news? Microsoft 365 apps like Word and Excel will continue to work on Windows 10 for another 3 years. You just won't get new features, only security updates. Here's how to enroll safely. Make sure your Windows 10 version is 22H2. Look for the ESU enrollment wizard in Settings, Update and Security, or through pop-up notifications. Choose your preferred method, Microsoft Rewards, OneDrive Backup, or the paid $30 option. Confirm and let Windows download updates. Your system is now protected through October 13, 2026. Even with ESU, it's smart to follow extra security tips. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Keep your antivirus software up to date. Backup files regularly, either locally or on the cloud. Be cautious with downloads and suspicious links. These steps will keep your Windows 10 PC secure, even after support officially ends. So yes, you can stay on Windows 10 safely past October 14, 2025, and 2 of the 3 options are free. Make sure to enroll in ESU, back up your files, and follow basic security tips. Don't wait, protect your PC today.